Hey all, today we are going to see how to create a game in Python using ChatGPT. For that, first you need to go to openai.com and you need to sign up for an account. After that, you need to go to chat.openai.com. Then create a new chat. Then in the prompt that appear, you need to write a code for snake game in Python. So ChatGPT is an AI that will create a Python program for you for your game. So for now we selected a snake game to create. So we asked the ChatGPT to create a snake game for us. So now it is creating a snake game in Python. We just need to copy this code and we need to run that code. ChatGPT started our game code generation. So it is generating a snake game. It will include all the required rules of the game inside the code and it will create the game for us. It is going to complete the code generation now. So once this code is completed, we need to copy this code and we need to run this code in the Python console. You see the code is generated. It is using cursors library for this game. Now we copy this script to our VS Code editor. You see there is a function which is highlighted, which is not imported properly. So if we run this script, it won't work. It will throw error. So ChatGPT generated this code. We need to ask ChatGPT to fix it. So again we need to ask the ChatGPT to regenerate the code with the fix. So first we go to the ChatGPT page and ask to fix this code. So it will again generating the code. Once this code is completed, we need to copy this fixed code and then paste it in our VS Code editor. Once that is done, we need to run the script again. We run the script now again. So you see the randint function issue is fixed now. We run the script again. Again it is throwing the error. The issue is still not resolved. We need to again ask ChatGPT to fix the code. So it will fix the code. Now it is generating a new code for us. We use this new code. The code generation is stopped in between. So we need to ask ChatGPT to continue this code. For that, we need to just type continue the code. It will start continuing the remaining code. It is continuing the remaining code. It is using Pygame module to generate this game. So we also need to install this Pygame module to run this game. It is completed now. We need to copy this new script to our VS Code editor and need to run it again. So first we copy this first piece of code that is generated. We are pasting it in VS Code. Now we need to copy this second piece of code. We are going back to the ChatGPT page and copying the second piece of code. And we are pasting the second piece of code in the VS Code editor. But there is some error is shown in the script. We need to fix that error. So there might be some indentation problem since we have copied the script from ChatGPT in two pieces. We need to check this indentation is correct or not, or else it won't work. Just checking for the indentation. Seems there is another issue with game over function also. For now, I'm just checking the indentation, whether it is in the right space or not. Okay, it looks like it is okay, but I think there is some other issue we need to fix. There is an issue with the game over function. Okay, this game over, it is not defined yet, so we need to cut this game over function and need to paste at the top of the program so it can be recognized by the following lines. Okay. Yeah, after this fix, we need to run the game. Since we don't install the Pygame module yet, to install we need to use pip install Pygame. It will automatically download all the required dependency and it will install in our local laptop. So after that we need to run this game again by using the command python snake_game.py. So okay, it will open a new window and in that window we can play our snake game. So it is opening a new window, but it is failing within few minutes. I found out the issue. The issue is the speed of the snake is very high. That's why we are getting the game over page soon. We need to fix that issue. Since the speed of the snake is very fast, we are getting the game over page soon. We need to fix the speed of the snake. So for that we need to ask ChatGPT to change the speed of the snake. We just go back to our ChatGPT console and ask our ChatGPT to fix the speed of the snake. So for that we just need to reduce the speed of the snake. So it will regenerate the code with the fix. It is generating the code now. Okay, we need to update a variable called speed. Set this game speed, lower is faster. Okay, if the speed variable has lower value, then the game is faster. We need to update a larger value so we can play our game easily. So I'm running the script again. Now see, the speed of the snake is reduced, so I can now play the game very easily. That is great. Yeah, the game over condition is also working. If we hit the wall, it is ending our game. Now we go back to our ChatGPT page and see what are the commands that we have used to achieve this script. First, we asked ChatGPT to generate a snake game in Python. It has generated a script with using cursors module, but that script did not work. There was an issue with the randit function. We asked to fix the code, and it again regenerated the code with fix. But after the fix also, the code did not work. So we again asked to check the code. Then ChatGPT created a new script with Pygame module in toSplit. We used the continue the code prompt to generate the remaining code. After that, it generated the second piece of code, and we asked reduce the speed of the snake, and it also shown how to reduce the speed of the snake, and we did it. So that's how you can create a game in Python using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video.